Managing bills of material is a very natural experience in Upchain. BOMs may be loaded top-down through the web browser itself, or Microsoft Excel can also be used to efficiently load BOM structures and item attributes. Also, BOMs may be loaded bottom-up through mechanical and/or electrical CAD systems. Being electromechanical, our web camera here has a mechanical subassembly where the structure is driven from a mechanical CAD system, in this case SolidWorks. It also has an electrical subassembly where the structure is driven from an electrical CAD system, in this case Altium. At bottom, we can see additional non-CAD items which were added to the BOM to fully define the top-level A300 SKU. Simply clicking a BOM item exposes an intuitive operations menu where we can visualize our CAD data, create related business objects, easily manipulate the BOM using familiar paradigms such as copy and paste, visually compare BOMs, create reports, import artifacts into this bill of materials item, and export various artifacts from this bill of materials item. Visualization is an integral part of the Upchain experience. For example, BOM changes can be analyzed with an intuitive, color-coded report. Green items with a plus sign have been added to the original BOM. Red items with a minus sign have been deleted from the original BOM. And yellow items represent metadata or attribute changes. Simply hovering over the red exclamation mark describes the change. To see the BOM changes from a geometrical perspective, we simply select the 3D Compare button. Here again, green surfaces are new, red surfaces have been deleted. Upchain's powerful visualization environment truly empowers the extended enterprise. Using only a web browser, the nascent value of CAD data is unleashed. Dynamic cutting planes, assembly explosion, measurement, and markup tools allow everyone, not just CAD users, to actively participate in the product development process. Additionally, visualization users can easily create investigation requests to initiate various workflow processes.